Hi there, good morning. It's Sunday, June 25th, and I'm Mary Jo. How is everyone today? So, back by popular demand, I'm on the couch with Fridget. She's observing out the window. Good morning, Fridget. Say hi. Pink. All right. I'm just going to tap into some energy I'm picking up today. Didn't really any. This is my second go around, actually. I know I said I wouldn't ditch any videos, but something was really off about that first one. And so we're just going to clear the energy with some sage. Yeah, Frigid agrees. Clear the energy, my energy, Frigid's energy. Frigid likes to be saged. Couldn't do a little different. I did a count across in the first one. I'm just gonna let's get the overall energy of the situation, or let's get your overall energy first. Your overall energy. I'm going to do oracles, and then I'm going to clarify with tarot. So it might not be a quick reading. Your overall energy is, we got some fourth chakra, some heart chakra going on here. Is it an opening? Is it a closing? I feel like it's an activation. The energy around the person you're dealing with or the situation. Thank you. Ooh, this is a hot connection. Is this going to turn into a twin flame reading? Usually does, doesn't it? And the combined energy between the two of you. Oh. Well, I'm going to take them both. We've got strategy and patience. So I feel like this is something that's taken some time, but you've both been very you've both been very patient. Someone's had to, maybe somebody, again, this came through last week, maybe somebody needs to get a divorce, maybe somebody needs to get a legal issue out of the way, but the energy between the two of you, it's like spirits coming through and saying there is a place and there is a time, and there is, every step is significant. Spirit's advice. Thank you. Wow. Seventh chakra. Whew. Whatever this is, it is divinely guided and protected, because you got three huge angels on the table here. Spirit's advice is just stay connected. Seventh chakra, stay connected. Use your higher knowing. Stay open to receive. Whew. Potential outcome if you follow that advice. I don't know if the camera's straight, so apologies. Just wanted Fridget to be in the shot. Nope. Potential outcome, please. Show us clearly. Boy, that man holding the heart, he's like staring right at me. Like boring right into me. Potential outcome. Very interesting. We have indecision and deceit. Potential outcome. Looks like you make a decision to walk away from something toxic. Beautiful. When you stay in your knowing and you follow your higher guidance, it moves you away from something that's very toxic. But the great thing about that is it moves you towards your highest destiny, which maybe he's part of, and maybe he's not. Bottom of the deck, which is what you don't see coming. Action, movement, getting the hell out of Dodge. Moving where? To your to your happiness, to your true path, getting on your true path. Now I know why that first reading needed to be trashed. Something wasn't feeling right about it, and now I understand it. All right, let's get some. Do I want to? No, I don't want to. Spirit's saying we want to use Bianco Nero deck, which is just shoved itself way back into my cubby. All right. All right, let's take a look at this fourth chakra. Divine Mother, Divine Father, let's clarify these for me. What is this fourth chakra? What is this energy? For the person watching, why is this their energy? Yeah, you've had some healing, you know. There's been an ending in something. I don't know if it's with this man holding the heart, because I mean, he's just all about the love here. But there's been an ending to something that was very painful. And it's kind of like forced you to open your heart. I'm noticing the progression in the numbers. Here we've got a 10. 8 plus 3 is an 11. It's a progression. This is a 9. 9, 10, 11. You might be seeing 911. That's just coming through for some. Talk to me, man holding a heart. What have you got to say? What have you got to say? I can hear mourning doves outside. Oh, I love the sound of them. So peaceful. Eight of Swords. He's coming through and saying, I've felt trapped. Look at you both getting swords. I feel like both of you, there's a lot of clarity coming in around this situation. It's apparently been toxic with that deceit card. There's been lies. There's been just lower energy floating around in it. Is this a connection that's finally seeing how other people have influenced the situation? That's coming through for some. Oops, sorry, kicked my stand there. The energy between the two of you, patience and strategy. I feel like this has been something that's been a long time in the works. This could be, you know, quite honestly, this could be a couple finally getting divorced, a mutual understanding, a mutual divorce, but the time it's taken for the finalization of it it's worn. It strained you both. Thank you, whoever brought through that word. It strained you both. You know, there's big love here between the two of you. I'm almost wondering if there's something wasn't in alignment for that moment. Another situation coming through here, another message is, you know, this is two people that have had to wait for, you know, whatever was going on in their own personal lives in order for them to come together. If this is an individual reading, this man holding the heart is all about you opening your heart, realizing that you've needed to end a situation that you felt trapped in. It's taken you a minute to get the aha moments, to get the realization, but now you're ready to put the work in. You're ready to sign the paperwork and get it done and over with because you've been nudged. These angels are huge on this table. Tell me about this patience and strategy. Why are they here in the combined energy between the first two? Yeah, it's been a long journey. If this is an individual reading, this is someone who is taking responsibility for their role in whatever this energy is for them. They're putting down the burden. They know it's time. If this is a couple, this is about both taking responsibility for their roles in the situation. We've got 2 tens on the table. Endings bring new beginnings, though. You know, that's a beautiful thing. When you make the decision that you deserve better and you can walk away with a clear conscience, knowing that you've put all your effort into it, and you can walk away from a situation that's just been draining because you've got some pretty amazing energy coming in. You know, you walk away for your happiness, you walk toward that, you get on your path, you start walking the spiritual path you were meant to walk. Even if you're not spiritual, if you don't consider yourself spiritual, we are all spiritual beings. Tell me about the 7th chakra, please. Archangel Uriel, Spirit's advice. I had to count here. 7 of Cups. Spirit's advice is... Spirit's advice is get out of your head. Clear the confusion. Clear the fog and Neptune energy. Yeah, I came through with the first video that I recorded but trashed. This is a very similar message, but I can understand why that one just, something was really off about it. Spirit's advice is get clear. Get clear on what you want. Make a choice, because we do have, the outcome is, you know, you are making a choice. You're clearing up any clear right now. Spirit's advice is to clear up any indecision. You know, take a look at each and every cup, all your options. Take a look at each and every cup as situations or opportunities within this connection or the situation, whatever it is for you, where you can see clearly. You know, this one cup, you know, what was my role in that? And see that clearly. Okay, this cup, what was my role in that situation? Clear that up. So this is, your Spirit's advice is about clearing up any confusion and seeing the truth of yourself, of this situation, of another, whatever this is for you. Potential outcome is choosing a new path for yourself to move away from anything that's toxic, whether that's a toxic mindset, a toxic emotional, you know, heart space, toxic situation, toxic job. Thank you. Yeah, 8 of Cups. Walking away from what was not emotionally fulfilling, but walking toward your destiny. Walking toward, taking the action to walk toward your divine destined path. Yeah, walking away from this devil energy. We've got it twice on the table now. Walking toward your sun, which is whatever you create for yourself, whatever magic you want to create. with your higher knowing and with your healed heart, you know, the fourth chakra here, walking toward your temple path with new vigor, new energy, new inspiration, and new fire lit within your belly, I'm hearing. The universe is reaching out and it's gifting this to you. Do you want to take it? Are you willing to take it? Are you willing to accept it? This is what's coming. This is a beautiful new beginning coming for you. Beautiful new opportunity to choose what you want to create, to choose a transformation. But it takes a decision to do what? To open your heart, to surrender to a whole new world, to a whole new cycle for yourself. You can't even imagine it because you've not even experienced it yet. You can maybe think, okay, maybe, you know, so maybe this is something, a situation where, you know, you've lived your life always scrambling and scraping and working diligently just to pay a bill off, you know, but now you can never imagine. You've always wanted a life of financial freedom, but you can never imagine it. You could never imagine it. Spirit's saying imagine it. Make the decision and then create it. And you get to change your own world. You don't have to sit and wait for anyone else to do that. You get up and you do it yourself. Heal. Bam, you heal. See what Archangel Michael has to say. Final guidance, please, Archangel Michael. Guidance for those that this resonates with. And if this resonates, if you would be so kind to like, share, and subscribe this video. Helps get my work out, helps grow the channel. Just one subscriber at a time. That's all it takes. And to those who have already subscribed, my deepest gratitude. Thank you. Archangel Michael, my beautiful guide. What have you got? What is the strongest guidance you can give? Just a little reminder. God is in charge. Dear God, please help me to let go of this situation, giving it in faith and trust to your divine wisdom and infinite love in order to resolve and heal everything and everyone involved. And so it is. It is done. You know, people think it's so difficult to do that. But on the deck, the situation is already resolved on another timeline, in another dimension, in God Source's time, which there is no time. It's already resolved. So here in the physical, it just requires you to release, let go, open yourself up, allow yourself to receive the blessings of this healing. Whoa, Fridget. Fridget, stop. Stop. She's scratching her back. So my camera holder is on a tripod. She's going in between, scratching. She's a big cat. She doesn't go in between very easily. Fridget. Oh, now she's licking my foot. Oh my gosh. Welcome back, Fridget, right? It's good to have her back on camera. So yeah, your advice, just surrender and trust. God is in control. He's got your back. She's got your back. It's got your back, whatever you believe in. I don't believe it's a he or she. It's energy. It's us. See if there's anything more. No. Just trust, man. All right, I'm going to leave it there before Fridget tips over. You can see the camera shaking. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful Sunday. I love you. Till next time.